Hey folks, I'm Chef Matt Basile and I'm here to get you ready for the most epic home gating menu. We're celebrating the NFL's 100th season. We're also celebrating the official hot sauce of the NFL, Frank's RedHot's 100th anniversary, and we're doing it with 100 of the best buffalo chicken wings you've ever tasted. So call your friends, huddle up to your fam, get comfy in your home, and let's get cooking, because you're gonna learn how to make pickle brine buffalo chicken wings with 3 different dipping sauces. Let's do this. Step 1, brine your wings. Cover the chicken wings in pickle brine and transfer to the fridge to marinate for anywhere between 2 and 10 hours. Blitztip! The pickle brine keeps the wings moist and flavorful after frying, so when you toss them in Frank's RedHot buffalo sauce, it adds the perfect balance of flavor and heat. Step 2, do some dips. Dipping your wings is just science. It just makes sense. But in honor of the NFL's 100th and Frank's 100th, I'm gonna show you the trifecta of dips for your awesome buffalo wings. Dip number 1 is my creamy dill wing dip. Combine sour cream with shallots, dill, garlic, and salt, and mix. Dip number 2 is my everything bagel wing dip. Combine sour cream with black sesame seeds, white sesame seeds, poppy seeds, dried onion, dried garlic, and chives, and salt, and give it a mix. Dip number 3 is my creamy blue cheese wing dip. Combine sour cream with blue cheese and salt. Step 3, winner winner, chicken dinner. My wing dredge is super simple and makes a super crispy wing. I've seasoned my rice flour with salt, and I'm taking my drained pickle brine chicken wings and I'm gonna toss them in that flour in batches. Step 4, fry them down. In a heavy bottom pot, heat canola oil to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Working in batches, I'm gonna fry the wings for 12 minutes. You wanna be careful not to overcrowd the oil or else the temperature will drop and the wings will cook unevenly. Now, if you'll excuse me, I have 100 wings to fry. Step 5, toss them. I'm tossing my wings in Frank's buffalo sauce. This sauce is perfect. It's got the right amount of kick, that true buffalo wing sauce flavor, and it pairs so well with that pickle brine. Did you know that Frank's RedHot was a secret ingredient in the original buffalo wing created in Buffalo, New York in 1964? 100 seasons of the NFL and the 100th anniversary of Frank's go together like wings ignite and prove just how easy it is to make authentic buffalo wings at home. So if you haven't already, call a timeout with your closest friends and family on anything that isn't home gating and throw the best football food party ever thrown the past 100 seasons. Be sure to watch season long. Happy home gating.